Hi guys, hey, we're making a special Halloween drink here. This is the Blackberry Black Magic Margarita, and it is, oh my God, what? All right, we're gonna start out with some salt. Put some salt in here. You can use sea salt. I would use fine salt. And then we're gonna add a little bit of activated charcoal to give it that dark color that we want. Put that on a plate, and then what we gotta do is rim the glass. So we're gonna put a little bit of icing, black icing on here. And we're just gonna roll it right in that salt. We're gonna start with 3 ounces of Duplin Blackberry wine. We're gonna add our tequila. You're gonna use about 1.5 ounces of tequila. Your Chambord, and only about 1/2 ounce of that. Our lime juice, and about 1 ounce of that. Now for the sweetness, we're gonna add about 1/2 ounce of molasses. I remember my dad when I was a kid, he always said slow as molasses in January. Also, we're gonna add a little bit more of that charcoal to get this drink a little bit darker. And the next thing we're gonna do is add some ice because we want this nice and chilled. Vampires and werewolves, ghouls and witches. Make my Blackberry Black Magic Margarita without any glitches. All right, now we're just gonna pour this in a glass. Doesn't that look deathly delicious?